So here we are again, my usual haunt, and that's Westmore's Plantation. Yeah, I've been here a few times, but this time's different because we're going to do a pretty big hike. And we're going from here all the way through. It's a hike I've made up on my own. We're going to head off to Holt Heath. Now Holt Heath we were at a year ago, so it's time for a revisit. Difference is this time we got a drone. So we're going to give it a shot, get some better views. I hope you enjoy it. Let's crack on. Well, a few kilometres in already. Not really got any very far, of course, because I've been playing around with that DJI. That drone, I have to say, it's going to get a very good review if this isn't one already. Never flown before, so damn easy. Very easy to work out. I will get some information on all the stuff I use at some point in the next few weeks. I keep promising that, but that's looking like a good one. Anyway, better crack on. It looks like it's going to rain. You probably saw that in the footage from the drone. Lovely sunny day, they said, but then this is England, right? This is what we get. This is what we do. We can't play football. We can't really do a lot of things that we claim to own because we invented it. But we could do this. This is what we do. You want all weathers in the day, you can have it. You want to be lied to by the weathermen and women and other. Right, stop waffling, mate. Oh my god, I'm heading the right way to somewhere. This is a first. Shit. Oh. There's a lot of road walking at the minute. Hell of a lot of road walking, but it's worth it. This is one effing long road, mate. I take it back. I actually take it back. Don't come this way. There's a quicker way. This is just me famously getting lost as usual. Never ends. Oh, mate, finally made it off the main road. However, the road here, which heads onto a number of walking areas, hopefully halt at some point. Might take me a while to get there still. I got off track again, didn't I? Yeah, here's what I do. Anyway, this could be one hell of a road. Very popular, and people just go through. They don't really stop. So this is why this is a great area to come. We've been here before. I want to get a really good picture of it. If you want to know, I did about 5k off course again. Mate, What? Anyway, I was going to design a walk, but I have no idea how to do that here, because everything, like I said before, keep saying things are in little bits and pieces, and there's estates and bits of military base and what do you call them, industrial estates, loads of them, and they're just not only that, but obviously you know, motorways and dual carriageways. But that's just the way it is around here. So you think you can cut through somewhere and you can't. It's all fenced off. It looks alright on the map, but it really isn't true. Anyway, let's get cracking, get a bit further ahead. I'm still high spirited because that's what we need to be. Yeah, it's looking like quite a walk here. We got it live, but we're gonna have to go all the way around and then cut in somewhere to get on to Holt Heath. It's quite a way. Yeah, you know me, I get lost all the time, but we'll get there. Bloody hope so. Whoa, I tell you what, this road is bloody busy. It's a country road. Never seen anything like it. I'm only speaking now because I found a relative gap in time. Oh mate. Luckily I'm not far. I'm not far. Look at this. Have a look. I'm literally walking through stinger nails, and this is a gate getting covered in moss. A gate for a walkway. Look at that. Whoa! A walkway that probably hasn't been used in God knows how long. That's absolutely insane. They just don't care down here. They just don't care. You see, this area here, Holt Heath, is a lovely bit of beauty. It's got ancient woodlands, which you don't get many of. There's only a few % left. Oh, crikey. Oh, mate, I am stuck. Trying to battle my way through a walkway that has not been... Ah, shit. Ah. It's not been used in, who knows, mate, who knows. Don't even look like a way through or a way out. It's insane. I mean, why is it like this? I'll tell you why. Because it's so densely populated down here that anything like this is considered an inconvenience. Well, in fact, a convenience in only in the way that they can get through it, drive through, because it's one way from one concrete jungle to the other, and that's where it is, just dotted about. In the middle of all that concrete are these bits of beauty. This is ancient woodland in itself. Well, I can't seem to find a way out. That's how old, that's how long it's been. Nothing uses it. Oh. No one. And I was hoping that gate would take me off that road, because that road is so ridiculous. I mean, I even got looks that suggested that I'd been lying on the road with my clothes off, doing the helicopter. And I wasn't, I was just walking like people can. People should. Ah, there's been some sign. There's been some sign. There's someone around with some hyperactivity somewhere. Probably trying to find his way through this lot, like me. Anyway, I'll stop my babbling and moaning and get to the point. Let's find Holt Heath. Let's do it. Look at this, more woodland. Ancient. Beautiful. And virtually untouched, at least for the last 50 years. Signing out. Hello. Looks like we're getting somewhere. Got out into the open, picked that bit of rubbish up. It's not mine, but it's good to do it. Yeah, now I haven't got any lapel mics, as you can see, so that's the mic we're relying on. Hopefully you can hear me. And I found it, the heath. This is it. We've done it. And this is where we're gonna take a few aerial shots if we can. And this is it. This is what I want to do. So I need to find a spot, get some great views of this, if it allows me to do so. But we'll see. Oh, not bad. What a walk, mate. Crazy. Absolutely nuts. Doesn't look like there's anyone here, not a soul out today. Look at that. It's absolutely brilliant. What a landscape. You'll be forgiven if you think it's a part of the New Forest, because it is just on the edge of the New Forest, yeah? It's a bit windy now. So just on the edge of the New Forest, but it isn't actually part of it. Very, very similar. Let's get some shots, man, come on. Just look at that, mate, there's no one here. Here I am, eating a sandwich, out on my own, and a few cows. A lovely landscape. Does it go very far? Although, I did do a 20k around here once, walking around. Not a problem. Beautiful colours, absolutely stunning colours. A light wind, not too bad. And there's some little ponds on our way. Now I'm going to cut across, head all the way that way. Probably another 6k. 7k to get back to base. I just wanted to get a few shots of some of the local sites. And Holt Heath, is amazing. And I'm saying all this while I'm shoveling a sandwich in my bed. But, wow. Not a bad day today. Hopefully you guys can hear me through the wind. But there is quite a bit. But not too bad. Have a look at this. Where is everyone? What are you doing, guys? Now amazingly, as I was flying that drone, I have no idea if you can fly it here. I should really have a look. Did a little bit. But after that, I started hearing a helicopter. Bit of a waste of money for someone flying the drone, I'm sure. So it can't be me. There's a little pond there, look. Should we have a look? It's a bit boggy, so I can't get any further. I think it came all the way out here before. So there's lovely little areas like this around here. So if you have a look up Holt Heath, it's a national nature reserve. If you just look up Holt Heath, you'll end up getting something somewhere else up north. But wow. Makes for a nice walk. Got to get back somehow within the next hour, hour and a half. Have a look at it, hey? And I'm on my Todd, drinking weird blue drinks like that. I'm just taking it all in. Let's get some silence here, yeah? Let's just hear that. Beautiful. Now I've got to try and get myself back somehow and work out what way I've got to go. So I'll get back to you. See you in a bit. So currently at 11.25 kilometers on this walk. That means I've done 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and a half, as I have to walk through a big industrial area. Sorry, industrial, I mean housing area, before I even started the walk. So that's about 15k so far. We're getting there. I wanted to hit about 20. Which is a good walk, blows the cobwebs off, yeah? We're doing well. Sun shining. I've got an hour to get back to work. So I'm still working 7 days a week. My business doesn't stop, you know? This is why, as you know, some of you anyway, as you know, that's why I do this. 7 days a week I work. My business has to work that way. It cares for people. It cares for people. That's what it is. So I am a very well paid carer, really. You know, that's what I do. So I look after some local lads. Currently got 3. And yeah. You know, I have to get downtime for myself, and you know, you should work the way I do, but if you do, or even if you're doing your 4 or 5 day weeks, you've got to have your downtime. You've got to do it so your body knows it. Your body knows it's being treated well, yeah? And that's why I'm here. It's beautiful. Met a couple of people along the way. There's a bird watcher, guy walking his dog. Not bad, nice chaps. They love this area, you know. There's a good 20 to 30k walk to be done around here, you know. And you can be out of the way. It's absolutely stunning. But we're cracking on. So we're going to cut across, go up a little bit, cut down. We go across a large section of the plain area. I should be well on my way then to getting back without getting lost. I do in every episode. But I think I already did that earlier, so hopefully that's it. We'll see. See you in a bit. Owl again. Okay. Shit's getting a bit real here. Basically the only track I've got is heading straight into the cows. They're massive. They are literally massive. Look at the horns on that. Look at it. Thankfully they don't really know I'm here at the minute, but they're everywhere, literally everywhere. I have a big stick, guys, so please be nice, play nicely. I mean, all of them have got horns. Look at this guy. Hello. Hello, guys. All right. Oh, mate. It's all right. Go on. I'll go this way then. Yeah. Don't worry. I'm going to go that way. It's okay. All right. So shit gets real here. All right, mate. Come on. All right. No problem. All right. Moving on. Okay. I'm not shitting myself. All right. I'm not scared of you. All right. I'm not scared. Okay. Just gonna go this way. And there's even more, mate. Come on. You've got all that over there and that. You've got it all, and you're here. Yeah, you are. They go that way. What's going on? I know. So you've got to keep calm. You've got to keep very calm. That one was just giving me the eyes there, mate. I tell you, giving me the eyeballs. I'm currently walking in all this shit because I'm not allowed on the path. It's alright. Moving on. I know. Now when they flip their leg like that, it's a warning just to back off. And they're all doing it. Come on. Stay where you are. Thank you. Cheers, guys. Cheers for not letting me appear scared on camera, yeah? At all. Bye. Alright, I was scared a little bit, alright? Just in case you didn't know. Shit happens all the time like that, mate. Cows, mate, cows. They can be aggressive as they want to be. And you know, there's horror stories all the time. But we won't go into that, we'll just keep on doing what we do. Look at that scene. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. We've been walking for quite some time. Let's go ahead. Hey, wow, woo! Yeah, it's been a long one. Not a long video. It's been a long walk. I don't want to get too much rubbish in there really. It's probably enough already, yeah? Listening to me waffling on about nothing. Well, you know, hopefully it's just about inspiring you really, just to get out more. Try some of these lesser known locations as well. Yeah, it's all I've got really. I'm absolutely bushed. So at the end, I'll show you the map, the map that I covered. You'll see it. I'll post it in, and then you'll see how far I come really in just a few hours. About 4 hours. So I've had 4 hours out. I know for a fact I'm about to cover 22k, something like that. But hopefully you enjoyed a little bit, enjoyed the new perspective, the views there, because that's something I want to use a little bit more, especially when I get out into the ultimate wilderness, but up into the mountains and places like that. That's going to be amazing. But yeah, what can I say? Oh, being beaten up on the way. So basically I'm nearly there. I say that it's another 2k, maybe 3 to do, but I know where I am. Honestly, I won't get lost anymore. I am a mess. So I'll catch you later. I'm just talking shit now. Just talking about nothing. Nothing unusual. Tripping up. There's nothing at all about the football's rubbish. I don't even like football. Just get out more. Yeah, enjoy the sun, whatever there is of it. There's about 3 days a year. So good luck with that. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks very much. Please subscribe if you like any of this absolute nonsense. And it just helps me, man. 1 subscriber helps me a massive deal. You won't believe it. It's a big deal. And I know it's a big deal for people to press that button, but just help us along, will you? Because I'm going to take this seriously. There's going to be some big things, not these little ones. Big things. See you later. Thank you very much for coming again. Mwah. See you soon. Bye bye. Where the hell am I? This is getting stupid. Every episode. Oh.